Alright, this should be recording now. So today I did a dash in Python as a data visualization for a Penn State project. So overall, this is about 200-ish line of code. I utilized some mechanic, the queue, as well as append to do a little bit of animation on the dataset. So inside, I also did a little bit of moving average. There might be a little bit better and cleaner way to implement this. I'll have to refactor the code in the future. And inside of here, there's the pie chart for each of the emotional classification, as well as a scatter plot for the emotion. It's all loaded from a dataset from a CSV file from the output. Right. Enough of that. Let me show you what this baby can do. So let me fire this up. So I'm running on this Python file. At this moment, it was loading all the library as well as loading some of the data into memory. Right now, the data visualization is running on this address, which is on a local host. So let me do this, and off we go. So here you can see that those are the time, the tweets, the association with it. So down here are the more exciting stuff. Each of the tweet coming in will be classified to one of the 5 category, and I've expressed this both in a scatter plot as well as a pie chart. Those are dynamic. That's pretty cool. In the scatter plot, I utilize the queue, so the whole list, it doesn't go infinitely long, and I also do append, so the data look like it's moving, which is very, very cool. So when your mouse is over, you can see the value for each of the emotion. This is a moving average for each of the emotion collected with each of the tweet on firearm policy. So you can see that over time how the emotion is played out. As you can see, most of the time, sadness take the majority in the classification. It's probably because some of the tragedy just happened. So on Twitter, people are generally sad. You also see disgust as well as anger take a lot of percentage inside of this graph. So on this graph, we can also do, so you can see time down there, and you can go to the timetable and then go look up the corresponding tweets at that time. In the future, this will not only be firearm policy, this will be a searchable term. You can able to type anything in here, but at this time, it will just be firearm policy. You can also do a little bit of adjusting. You can just move one of the color or two to see just one kind of emotion, how it played out. You can do similar stuff for the pie chart as well. So yeah, this is just a showcase for the for Dash data visualization. Hope you guys like it. If you guys got any question, please let me know. So